Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Tree the Fun Way, Tree Junior Pro. For today, I'm with Mark.
Hello.
We haven't seen each other for a long time.
It's been 1,000 years. I check, Papa.
I check. So today I came to visit just to do this video before New Year. I think it's on Sunday. New Year's on Sunday.
On Sunday.
It's on Sunday. Yeah.
Sunday.
So today we have two people that wanted something translated. So what I'll do is I'll say the English, then Mark will actually do the tree translation. Then if he can, he'll just elaborate on whichever one that needs more elaboration, right? So the first one, let me see. The first one, the first ones that we have, the long ones. Okay, let's start with the shortest one. The shortest one is from Ariel. Okay. So Ariel wanted to know what ayele, what it actually means.
You know, I think when I saw this, I was like, okay, we are doing a tree thing here. But from what I know, ayele is it's a gun name.
It's a
from
gun
what
name.
I know, it's a gun name, and it actually means in tree we say PSA, more like a firstborn or the eldest son, so to speak. But let's say it's a firstborn, but PSA in tree means the firstborn or abakan.
Okay, yeah.
In tree, abakan also means the firstborn. So it's like I said, it's a gun name, ayele, and it's the Ga people that normally use their kids.
Oh, thank you so much. So Ariel, thank you so much. Now,
and if there's any Ga person probably who is also watching us,
yes,
probably he or she knows more about the name because it's actually a Ga thing. You can also probably say something
in the comment section. We'll actually appreciate that. We really do. The next ones, I think there's 17 of them, from Daniel. I haven't been doing this because of work and other personal stuff that I've been has taken my attention. So I think these are from 2 or 3 weeks ago. So Daniel wanted a list of things. I think there's 17 things. Okay. The first one is, why don't you do something different?
Why don't you do something different? Argentina, worenyɛ ade foforɔ.
100%.
Adɛn ntina worenyɛ. But when you say worenyɛ, here you say worenyɛ. But like I think in some of our videos, we actually stress the fact that you can just omit the R, the RE or the RA and just say worenyɛ ade foforɔ. Ade something foforɔ different. Or in another case, when you say foforɔ, it means new.
Yes.
So you doing something different, it means you're doing something that is new. From the old one that you already know.
100%. Then the next one is, watch how you talk to me.
Watch how you talk to me. I think probably the person is giving a caution.
That's true.
Yeah, I said, watch how you talk to me. Yes. So you say, Hwesenia wokasa kyerɛ me. Hwesenia wokasa kyerɛ me. So watch how you talk to me.
100%.
Someone can also say, Hwesenia wone me kasa. Hwesenia wone me kasa. Even though when you say wone me kasa, in other words, it would have meant that the way we have that conversation we have, the kasa is a conversation, so it's more like the back and forth. So I think it can also mean the same where you and someone are having a conversation where you realize that probably the person is being confrontational
and they're not talking to you the right way.
The right way to be like, you know what, you must watch how you
speak to me.
You speak to me or you talk to me. Hwesenia wone me kasa or hwesenia wokasa kyerɛ me.
100%.
Is that what I said? Yeah.
Yes.
Hwesenia wokasa kyerɛ me.
Then the third one is, I can't wait till they go.
That means they've been,
they're overstayed.
Yes,
they're welcome.
Merentumi ntwɛn kɔpem sɛ wɔbɛkɔ. Merentumi ntwɛn, I can't wait. Kɔpem sɛ wɔbɛkɔ. Yeah, so that's what it means. Yeah.
Then the other one is, why is it taking so long?
Why is it taking so long? Argentina, ɛrekyɛ. So it's the same thing. Argentina, ɛrekyɛ. So then the re will go away. Then you can still say, you can say ɛrekyɛ, but normally you don't really hear people say that. So you say Argentina ɛrekyɛ. Why is it taking so long? You'll be waiting for the thing for so long. You know, and the thing is not coming. So why is it
taking so long? 100%. Then it is, okay, this one is a long one. Now that I'm hungry, now that I'm hungry is when you're cooking the rice or food.
I hope so. I wrote it right. Yeah. He said that Afei ɛkɔm de me no na worenua emu ana worenua aduane.
Yes, 100%.
So what he's saying is Afei ɛkɔm de me no.
Now that I'm hungry.
Yeah. So Afei ɛkɔm de me no na worenua. Because I remember it said rice or food. So worenua emu no. It means probably the person knew that they were going to cook rice. If not, then generally you say Adɛn nti na afei ɛkɔm de me no na worenua aduane.
Yes. 100%. Then there is, this one is too big. Please cut it up for me.
This one is too big. Please cut it for me. Dodo. I know we sometimes also use dodo. Yeah. So that particular thing, that ye or we is big. Dodo. You know, it means the dodo is qualifying the soup. You understand? Yeah, so dodo. Twam mami mean cut it up for me. Or what do you do? Twam mami. What you can also do is that you can take out the u. When I say u, the u in the mu. It says mu is
okay.
You can say twam mami. So in that case, you put them together. So it's not gonna be twam, but you take the u and you add that or that m to the tra. Then it's a twam mami.
100%.
Yeah.
You guys learned something.
Yeah.
Then let me see. Why are you so upset?
Did I see upset or I saw quiet?
No, sorry. I'm the one. I'm wrong. It's quiet.
Okay.
Quiet. Why are you so quiet? Sorry, it's not upset. Quiet.
Okay, so let's first talk what she first said. He first said. He says, "Why are you so upset?" Argentina, wofusa. Argentina. I know ebufu is also anger, but I think anger and upset they go hand in hand. So Argentina, efusa. Why are you so upset or why are you so angry? But in this one, he's saying that why are you so quiet? So Argentina, woayɛ dinn saa. Argentina, woayɛ dinn saa. I think I don't need to explain the wo and aye. We put them together. I remember we learned something about the verb and those consonants and the vowels, and we put them together. Some of them use the apostrophe, but at least for the sake of the question that was asked, you will say Argentina, woayɛ dinn saa.
100%. Then we have I am a very quiet person.
Yes. So I think it's the other one. Meyɛ nipa dinn.
100%.
Or you can say Meyɛ dinn. You understand? If you say Meyɛ nipa dinn, then I'm a quiet person. If you say Meyɛ dinn, I'm that kind of person who is quiet.
Okay.
So in other words, you can say Meyɛ dinn, then I'm quiet.
That's actually perfect. But can they also say kasa?
Yeah, kasa, yeah.
Would that also qualify?
Yeah.
Just so you guys know. But Meyɛ dinn would be perfect.
Yeah, because it's actually the opposite, like you said. Kasa, I like talking. I like to talk. So the opposite of I don't like. So he said I don't like talking. Kasa, which technically means that you are the quiet kind of person. Which D means quiet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then the other one is your health is at risk.
I think when I saw that, I was like, oh, okay.
How do we translate this?
Yeah, so health in TWI is Woapomuden. Apomuden actually. Apomuden means health. So if it is your health, it means Woapomuden. So I think I put it this way. I said Woapomuden koraa.
Okay.
What I was looking at is, okay, when they say koraa, it means it's not good. It means that, like you said, you are at risk. So if you are at risk, then it means you are going, someone say down the drain. I don't know whether that's the right place to use. Is that you are going down there, so it's not good. It's bad.
Then the 10th one is I already did it. I already did it.
Meyɛ no dada. I already did it. Meyɛ no dada. So dada becomes already. You know. So Meyɛ no dada. I think I also put Meyɛ awie, which it means that I'm done. I've finished it or something like that. Yeah, it means I've finished it or I've already. I think there the English would differ a bit, but it will still come back to the same thing because I already did it and I have already done it.
It's the same thing.
Technically, it's the same thing.
Thing.
Meyɛ, we have already done it. Meyɛ no dada, I already did it, which will come back to. It will imply the understanding of what you were saying.
100%. Then the last 7. I am feeling extremely nervous.
Oh, there was an extremely. Okay, it's fine, but I think it's still gonna be fine.
Yeah.
I am feeling extremely nervous. It means repopo.
Okay.
When they say repopo, and I say popo, it means I'm shivering, right? Technically, that's
literally translated.
Literally, it means I'm shivering, and I think someone kind of become nervous. You know, when you start shivering or you start, then it means you are very, very nervous. Say you are going for an interview.
It happens to me.
Then, as you are there, maybe the first 2-3 questions, you see you start shaking.
I start shaking before I get called. So it's true.
So when you start shaking, in other words, it means you are nervous. You know, like me, maybe I may not shake, but you can see when I'm talking, it's like I'm not really flowing. You know, it's like I think I will swallow a lot of saliva that day. So it said repopo, or you can say hyehye.
That's another one.
Hyehye. You know, so like hyehye.
Yeah, I think that one we can kind of dive in a bit because if somebody literally translated, it's like how do we say my stomach is hot? Literally translated but what that means
it's like you're having butterflies.
Yes. And it usually goes when either you did something wrong and you're about to be found out. As kids, you know, when you go and do something, you know your parents are coming, then you know you're going to get beaten or something, then you feel nervous. So you tell your friend, hyehye, because you're feeling nervous. That will also apply to the interviews. So yes, that's actually 100%. Thanks. Then, why are you so nervous?
Argentina, repopo.
Yes.
And I think, like I was talking about this butterfly thing, you know, some people when there's a wedding and, you know, the groom and the bride, you know, they just wish the day ended, you know. So they kind of have that kind of nervousness, so to speak, you know. So it's just I want to say, Argentina, why are you so nervous? Yeah, because there's a big day ahead of you. You don't know how it's gonna end. You don't know what's in front of you. You don't know the future.
That's
true. Know, so sometimes
if you should do it or not. You know, that's true. That's true. That's true.
So you can say Argentina, repopo, and Argentina, hyehye.
Yes. That would be the I'm feeling extremely nervous. Yes. Then I don't agree with that.
I don't agree with that.
That is true.
And I think I added one to it. I said, maybe we can
elaborate on that.
Yeah. It means me and you, our understanding, we are not on the same path.
Okay. It only happened. Well, I think it only happened once. guess I want to say it only happened once, but yeah.
Esi baako pɛ.
Okay, 100%. Esi baako pɛ is 100% right. Then bring whatever you have here.
Bring whatever you have here. Fan dear or fan near. So fan, let's take fan near. So fan near uwo waha biara bra.
100%. Okay.
Fan near or fan dear wo waha biara bra. So that's what it means.
Okay. Then these people don't listen.
Yeah, these people don't listen. You can say nkrofo yinum ntie asem. Or you can say nkrofo yinum ntie asem. Because there are some people they don't listen. Ntie asem.
Okay.
They think they know it all, so they don't listen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then the last one is why have to do things? Why do you have to do things quick? That's what he's trying to say.
So Argentina. Why did I write I was say? Okay. Argentina. I was say woyɛ nipa ntem.
Okay.
Argentina. I was say woyɛ nipa ntem. Why do you have to do things quick? You know.
Then in that sentence, can you add a sa at the end, or that will just make it worse?
Yeah. Then it will stress on the which is good. Argentina. I was say woyɛ nipa ntem sa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That quick.
Okay. So it just stresses on the fact.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. No, that's fine. Guys, well, that's it. I really thank Mark and all his translations. I really appreciate him for all the work all these years. For you guys out there, thanks again for your support. I know the videos haven't been coming as much as they should. I think nowadays I just do one every month. When I have the time, because I'm just too busy. And it was once a week. Then we're doing our online thing, and I think now we all have busy schedules, so that is on a pause for a while. And what was the thing we were doing last year? Now we're kind of reflecting back. Not a lot of people came back with the school thing, the educational thing, which we thought will actually help. Then would actually avail ourselves. But I think there was one or two who sent an email. I reached out to them, but that was the end of it. What else? I can't remember. This year has been too long.
Yeah.
I can't remember a lot of things. Did we even do that this year? Was it last year? When we're doing our live thing.
I think that should be probably last year. But this year, I'm not so sure.
I'm not so sure. I can't remember what happened.
That's why when you came around, I was like, I think it's been more than a year.
Yeah, I haven't seen you in that long. Just that we chat often, so it doesn't feel like it's a year, but we haven't seen each other for like a year now, which...
I was like, this, like you said, a live session. No, it's been a year. Yeah,
it's been a year. It's been that long. But we'll see how things progress next year. Wishing everyone a good festive season, and do take care of yourselves. Remember to get the app on Google Play, the TWI Junior Pro app. Remember to what do I usually say? It's been so long I can't remember. If you like the content of the channel, please click on like button, subscribe button, and bell button for future notifications. And do you want to add anything?
No, I think they must keep on. I think we love them. Yeah, they've been with us or with you, if I should put it that way, since day one. Since day one, and they've been supportive. They must just share the video.
Yes.
Because I realize that mostly we don't get a lot of views.
No, we don't.
Of which I think this is a very educative, program or an educative channel, so to speak, with regards to TWI learning. And I think a lot of people would grab this opportunity to learn how to at least speak TWI or even write TWI to some extent. So you share it with your friends, you like it, let them also come to the channel. If you have not subscribed, if it is your first time, you subscribe, and I believe that you'll never regret subscribing to.
No.
Yeah,
and the other thing is, I understand that our niche is a bit more. It's to a point where we aren't like those channels that do all these thingies. It's more practically just learning TWI, And like Mark said, you know what, you come here, I think this is one of the only channels where we actually literally, instead of teaching you what we want, to say this is the schedule and we are teaching you what we want you to learn, you put it in the comment section, we translate that for you. I think that's what we try to do, that you ask us things and we tell you what it is, which I think is better than most, right?
Yeah.
So keep on spreading the word. Let anyone who wants to learn tree or want to find out what it's about, come here. If they like it, they'll join the family or just view it, you know. Leave stuff in the comment section. And with lots of love from Mark and me. Bye.